Welcome back to the A to Z blogging series. Let's see what we have covered till now. How to purchase domain and hosting, how to design your own blog, and how to make your blog secure by adding a free SSL certificate. I have also discussed about how to fix DNS issues encountered while setting up or migrating your WordPress hosting in a separate video. So if you have missed these videos, go check it out. Link is provided in the description. Next, we are going to discuss about how to add a subscription form, send emails to your subscribers, and send emails automatically on subscription. So there will be 3 parts of this video, each discussing one topic. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Automate your email campaigns to send mail automatically on subscription. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. First step is to create and automate email campaign. Go to Automate from menu and click on Email. Now select a template of your choice. Enter your campaign name and your blog name and click on Begin. Now click on Edit Design. Click on Back to Template. Click on Save Templates. So as you can see right now, we don't have any saved templates. Next step is to save an email as a template. In previous video, we have already created an email campaign and email design, and we are going to use the same. So if you have not seen that video, check it out from the link in description on how to create and design your email template. Go to Campaigns from menu. Go to your already created campaign. Click the arrow button. Click on Replicate. Now click on Edit Design and make your required changes. Click on the arrow button again. Click on Template and then click on Save this design as template. Enter your template name and click on Save. Now click on Return to Campaign. Now click on the Edit button of our new automatic email campaign. Click on Edit Design. Click on Save Templates. Now select your template. Click on Change Template. Click on Save and Continue and click on Start Sending and then click on Start Now. Now you have successfully created your first automation. Next step is to test our automation email. So go to your blog, enter form details and click on Subscribe button. Now go to Audience and click on View Contacts. New subscriber will be added to the list. Let's check the email. We have received the automation email successfully. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Do check our blog and website. Link is provided in the description. If you like our content, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Miss Tech Hack.